Here now the parlor. You see the way I can't do the setting of the light.
Okay, man, sure. Not from the not be inner light we call this.
That one a hidden light.
Hidden light.
When they display so.
Our viewers, yeah.
This one a chandelier.
Okay.
But the other one a POP light. If they use remote, though I don't give the owner remote, you don't bring a console. See they use switch.
Okay.
So man, on you see the light, they change color.
Okay.
So it didn't like get home.
Okay.
This one I you see and say don't. I don't want to know.
Okay.
So now me constantly pattern this TV stand light.
Okay, me our viewers inside the TV stand light. Okay, now you pipe everything.
Yes, sir. Now me pipe everything. So now me constantly run this pipe.
Okay.
So this big pipe went there now. All wire go follow.
Okay.
DSTV decoder and plasma decoder.
Okay.
All the wire, all the cord will follow here.
Okay.
You can't come out for here. Where the DSTV decoder will be.
Okay.
Why the one we want enter plasma go follow the pipe when still lay here. Can't come out here.
My people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today now 26th of December. Oga Electrical Man. Good afternoon.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, sir.
May I want to talk to you? So my name is Saboyen. What is your name?
My name is Engineer Perfect Venture Electrical.
I come completion of wiring and fittings installation. I come monitor for today. We want for a view. I talk show give you. I come monitor. You will take me around the work. Whether I don't finish or you sit there on it. So, Oga Electrical Man, what you will tell our viewers when they patronize you through this our shining for this season?
I want to say big thank you to each and every man and woman when don't give me work through this platform so far. I pray the pocket owner from the bring money no go ever no lack in Jesus' name. Una do well, my brother, my sisters, my daddy, my mommies.
Our viewer, before you give any for our client, we got to call our number day on top of this video. So, Oga Electrical Man, me and our viewer they see what you.
Okay, this very house now.
Okay.
Waiting I do here, they don't first wire am before, but they don't finish the wiring before the mama come across my program
Work.
for the channel for this Edo Talk Show 90 coming.
Okay.
So they don't still install some of the fittings, but not be all. So now me can't do the completion of everything.
Okay.
So this very house now a 3-bedroom flat.
Okay.
I do on both the inside, do now me can't pipe the fence, wire the fence, and tie the fittings of the fence.
Okay.
So I'll start from here. If you look here now, you'll see light.
Okay.
Now 2 lights will put for here.
Okay.
So this one I chandelier for the outside.
Okay.
In case person sit down for if you relax, light go sit there, fancy light.
Uh,
So now here they be put contact fuse.
okay.
I come out from here because here now entrance of the house.
Okay.
And so it don't make any sense. Make contact fuse can't do this kind of play. Go make the entrance rough somehow.
Okay.
So I can't put on for kitchen side.
Okay.
Here now the parlor. You see the way I can't do the setting of the light.
Okay, man, sure. Not from the not be inner light we call this.
That one a hidden light.
Hidden light.
When they display so.
Our viewers, yeah.
This one a chandelier.
Okay.
But the other one a POP light. If they use remote, though I don't give the owner remote, you don't bring a console. See they use switch.
Okay.
So man, on you see the light, they change color.
Okay.
So it didn't like get home.
Okay.
This one you see and say don't. I don't want to know.
Okay.
So now me constantly pattern this TV stand light.
Okay, me our viewers inside the TV stand light. Okay, now you pipe everything.
Yes, sir. Now me pipe everything. So now me constantly run this pipe.
Okay.
So this big pipe went there now. All wire go follow.
Okay.
DSTV decoder and plasma decoder.
Okay.
All the wire, all the cord will follow here.
Okay.
You can't come out for here. Where the DSTV decoder will be.
Okay.
Why the one we want enter plasma go follow the pipe when still lay here. Can't come out here.
Okay.
That time no wire will come show for this wall here.
Okay.
So that is all about the parlor here.
Okay.
I will show you the dining now. Here now the dining still same thing when I do then I still do here.
Okay, yeah, so they all be okay.
See in the off and on. Then why this one are for the hidden light?
Okay.
This one are for wall bracket. This one are for the POP light.
Okay. Okay.
Here now the kitchen. So if you look the kitchen, I put 2 big lights.
Okay.
You see now 4 lights I put for the kitchen. This one comes in 1.
Okay. Yes, we sure. Okay. Yeah. One.
This one 2.
Okay.
This one 3.
Okay.
This one 4.
Okay.
Why I put the big one so that here go dey very bright in case they cook for kitchen.
Okay.
Something for they go easily see. And not they will come and say, I bet bring touch for me or on your phone touch me. Take find waiting for. With this light everywhere will dey bright. Anything for ground they'll fit pick up.
Okay.
So now here I can put the contact fuse why they tell you that time. So you look this contact fuse now. If you look and you see as it neat, now here I can channel and pass. This one now to change face. Now here we first put the face in not full.
Okay.
Now we can change your put for here. Why this still now for boil?
Okay.
So now this very circuit breaker go dey control the control switch of the boil. Why I put this control circuit breaker? Okay. Make this one for not quick spoil.
Okay.
So they not go touch this bus at all. Now here they'll take the on the boil the off.
Okay.
Why this change over now for the boil alone?
Okay.
And now light is there so that they pop on with light. So if light no, they say they want to use gen, they plug their gen, they'll see change out to gen.
Okay.
So this one are for boil.
Okay.
This one are light. When go they bright to this place in case they put gen here.
Okay.
And when so that here no feel dark.
Okay. Now here for
Work for the kitchen and the generator.
okay.
House. So here now the passage. If you look at now, we put a Chandelier based on the POP design.
Okay.
We still put a POP light so that here will see bright.
Okay.
Then we still put in the light into the design. You see light when they display for inside.
Yes.
They will constantly put POP light when they change color.
Okay.
To make this place fine.
Okay.
This one for light when they shine this parking stop.
Okay.
Now the switch be this one.
Okay.
This one are light for this toilet and bathroom.
Okay. Now see lights for toilet and bathroom. Okay.
See the switch be that one. So here now the MCB.
Okay.
So now me can't do all those installation. You know, say I say they no pipe and that they be na me pipe and all those pipe no sure go inside wall.
Okay.
So but for wire to fly well, now make me put pipe here.
Okay.
So this one I change over when they will take the change in main house from gen to NEPA, from NEPA to gen. So now NEPA I stay there. So why this one why I put for here? They not construct and put it for now switch when they control the light of the fence.
Okay.
Two gang. One go they control the street light when they the fence, while the other one go they control the pillar and other lights for the fence.
Okay.
This one are the first bedroom. So and all those wall brackets now install. I can't install them. All those lights. Okay, so the owner don't first buy them down.
Okay.
Cost.
Okay.
So based on say they don't buy them, now just they install them put.
Okay.
So same thing I still do here. See the light.
Okay.
So this toilet and bathroom, they be not put heater.
Okay.
They make one long heater connection come out for there so that they will feel they use this water heater.
Okay.
So now to just, if they want start to use now, to just type this wire.
Okay.
For this one, it will be into the work.
Okay.
So this one are the switch. When go they on the heater, the off.
Okay. The switch will be on the heater.
The
okay.
off. So now two wall bracket there and one PVC light.
Okay, I'm over here.
So this one are the last room. The wall brackets.
Okay.
Yes. So why this one are for the heater?
Okay.
You say a slide show for this heaters we show say lights don't reach here.
Okay.
Once they want use the heater now to just on now, you go begin work.
Okay.
So this one I still do for you. This one are the heater for inside the toilet and bathroom.
Okay.
Now to just hit up onto that wire. Finish.
Okay. Now you for round up inside this.
For inside the house.
Okay, move.
Then take finish. Might take you go show you the fence.
Where they go?
Okay, sir. So I would like start from the outside.
Okay, outside. Okay.
Yes, sir. If you look at it, you see below the beauty of the fence light.
All of them they on.
So now me pipe the fence.
Okay.
Now me pipe the fence.
Okay.
Now me draw the pattern of the fence pipe and now me still install the light and wire.
Okay.
So those one are the fence light. These two big one. Why I put two big one here now because of the pillar when they so that it go fine for the up.
Okay.
Then I can still put for the body of the pillar. If you see, and I can still add beauty to the artwork
Okay.
for these two big pillar.
Okay.
Why this one I call it bear? If they're the year where they will say the ring now.
Okay.
Now this one go say person there outside though.
Okay.
You can't attend to person when they outside. Once
Okay.
you don't see her, go see off and back, it go off. So this switch now call it bear.
Okay.
To allow people say with the gate, instead of them to go they hit the gate.
Okay.
And to just press here, go show say person they gate, they'll come in the person
Okay.
off and back. So all those one are the fence lights for the outside.
Okay. Okay.
So I see people for inside. So I'll like more just follow like this.
Okay.
Make them go around, make them foresee the light there.
Okay.
Those one are the fence light. So why this one are surrounding light?
Okay.
So this one are directly we take carry current the light from up
pole
enter
come,
the house.
the house. Okay.
So see the light, we'll put one down, put one up of pillar,
Okay.
put another one down, put on top of pillar.
Okay.
So now so we take do all the outside.
Okay.
Why this one are inside? You put for one, you leave one.
Okay. They take me and they show of you as with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, may I see this one? Okay.
So there be no run now here we take run pipe now here. Now light from enter the fence so.
Okay.
This one are the Joshua. But in case any fault, the now here they'll just open.
Okay.
Sort out the fault, lock and back.
Okay.
So now the light that be this one.
Okay.
If you look here now,
May I show them the way the lights, okay?
okay.
You be the talk just now.
We can't decide to put one street light for up here.
Okay.
So with this light now it go bright all this place.
Okay.
So now the remaining surrounding light for the
okay.
back side now it can be all those ones.
Okay. Nice to follow this.
Now if you follow here,
Okay.
go jump outside.
So this wall fence light, now you
fence
buy
light.
this one here?
Now me buy them. Now me buy all the fence light,
Okay.
buy the wire and the pipe and do installation.
Okay.
So now here for end for them.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So my people, the electrical man don't take me round the work we do for this house. So I could ask a few questions concerning the work. So Oga electrical man, this work we do here with installation of fittings and the completion of the wiring, like how much material just enter this very building? That is the wiring and the installation fittings.
Okay, this house guy take day. First he done the do one before they come across my work for Edo Talk Show.
Okay.
Now I take come, come see my come finish am.
Okay.
So not be just actual amount. We come dey do am as it won't be like a contract basis. If he did this stage,
Okay.
I'll still tell am say how much you will do am, he will still give me, he will still do am. Then if he still did the other one stage, he will I will still tell am say how much you go fit still do am, he will still give. Na so I take do am. Cause na completion of wetin person don dey do before.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that gauge where you talk, you know if you talk that the amount for the gauge where you work here.
I know if you talk the amount
Okay.
cause I can't work here so many times. You will still
Okay.
give me, if money don't see, they will still give me small money.
Okay.
I'll come still work on inside.
Okay.
Then if you still reach another stage, we'll still talk. You will still give me small money, and now so we can't take the one.
Okay, my people, I don't talk to the electrical man. I say the work we do here based on if you work here, you see talk the amount small thing. You finish. So you quick call your number when you have to reach you.
All right, sir. My following number when the VT reach me now 070 37 59 79 39. I repeat 070 37 59 79 39. My second number now 090 56 06 47 33. So the fit reach me with this number both call and WhatsApp.
Okay, my people, I grace our time until they watch this video.